Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage on Kraken Pro. Leverage allows you to open larger positions with a smaller amount of capital, amplifying potential gains. However, it also significantly increases risk, as losses can exceed your initial investment. It is crucial to understand how leverage works and to manage your exposure carefully. Kraken Pro provides tools to help you utilize leverage responsibly. To set up a leverage trade, first ensure your Kraken Pro account is funded with enough collateral. Navigate to your chosen trading pair and select the Margin tab. Here, you can specify your desired leverage multiplier, such as 2 times or 5 times, and the size of your position. Always review these settings carefully before confirming your trade to avoid unintended exposure. Effective risk management is paramount when using leverage. Always implement stop-loss orders to automatically close your position if the market moves against you, limiting potential losses. Continuously monitor your margin level to ensure you maintain sufficient collateral. Be aware of margin calls, which require you to add more funds or risk automatic liquidation of your position. For advanced tips, always start with lower leverage, perhaps 2 times, to build experience and confidence. Avoid putting all your capital into one highly leveraged trade. Diversification is key. Remember, market conditions can change rapidly, so stay informed and adjust your strategy as needed. Also, for a truly effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.